こんにちは。Welcome to Consonant Japanese. I'm May. In this video, we are going to learn how to pronounce the K consonant sound, as in ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Consonant Japanese. As I mentioned in my intro video, there are three things you might want to keep in mind when you learn consonant sounds. Number 1, voiced or voiceless. Number 2, where the sound is produced inside the mouth. On this, check out my place of articulation video, the link in the description box below. Number 3, how the sound is produced inside the mouth. On this, check out my manner of articulation video. The link is also in the description. About the first point. The K consonant is a voiceless consonant, meaning your vocal cords here do not vibrate. K, k, k. Next, about the second point. Take a look. The back part of your tongue reaches up and touches the soft palate. The tip of the tongue touches the gum ridge behind the bottom teeth. Finally, the last point. This consonant is a stop consonant. With a stop consonant, you first block the airflow at a place of articulation. In this case, the place of articulation is your soft palate. And then you make a sudden release of the air. K, k, k. Now let's practice pronouncing ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Connect the K sound with a, I, u, e, o. Repeat with me. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Did you do well? I bet some of you had a problem pronouncing ki. That's because when consonants are followed by the I vowel, the place of articulation changes. In this case, you move your tongue a little forward for ki. 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 With that in mind, let's try again. Repeat with me. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Alright, now let's practice pronouncing ka, ki, ku, ke, ko using some real words. Repeat with me. Kao, kao. Eki, eki. Oku, oku. Ike, ike. Koko, koko. One last thing. Both hiragana and katakana are sets of phonetic characters. So it's quite important for you to be able to associate a sound with a corresponding character. So check out my hiragana playlist. Also, you can download hiragana worksheets like this on my Patreon page for free. So check out my Patreon page, the link in the description box below. Alright, if you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。